Hey, my name is Phil. This is my Nissan 350Z. It's a 2003 VQ35DE. My first car was a Citroen Saxo. I've always just been into cars, just growing up. I was always into cars. Modified a couple of cars before, nothing too serious. So this is my first real attempt at a modified car. I think I've done pretty good. I got this car because it's a two-seater. I wanted a two-seater because mates were always asking for lifts. So I thought, if I've got a two-seater, they can't ask for lifts anymore. So yeah, this is exactly what I was looking for when I bought it. I wanted a Nissan 350Z. So yeah, that's why I got this car. My car history, I've had all sorts. I've had French, German. This is my third Japanese car. I've had Mitsubishi Colt back in the day, Mitsubishi FTO, and now this. This is my favorite car I've ever had. So it's always been a lot of fun. I got this car from a car dealership not far from where we are now. I wasn't looking for an orange car. I wasn't looking for an orange interior. I wanted black. Black car, black interior, but it came up perfect price, full service history. I think it had two owners, so I bought it. It's exactly what I wanted. So when I bought it, I didn't really plan on doing what I've done. I went along to a 350Z meet in Milton Keynes, and a couple of the guys there had done some good things to their cars, so I thought, I'll just do this, I'll just do that, and yeah, now it's a bit over the top. The biggest difficulties is constant. It's absolutely constant. It's relentless. It's horrible. It's dirty, but it's great fun. Yeah, the whole process. Yeah, the thing of trying to keep it clean all the time, and yeah, it's a lot of hard work. It's not easy, but like I said, you meet some great people doing it. The people I share this unit with, I can't say enough for them. The friends, like I said, the friends I met along the way. Nick, Joe, I couldn't ask for better friends. So, yeah, it's good.